Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by making the connection possible. Make sure your iPhone and Samsung TV are on the same Wi-Fi, then enable AirPlay on the TV so it can accept streams. Once done, unlock your iPhone and open the Photos app. Selecting a picture is how you initiate sharing. Tap the share icon or open Control Center and choose Screen Mirroring or AirPlay. This targets the TV. Doing this first reduces confusion later, because the TV is already discoverable and ready to receive images. Now you'll choose what to show and actually connect. Pick one photo, multiple images, or an album and hit share to use AirPlay, or open Control Center and use Screen Mirroring for full display. Select the Samsung TV from the device list. If the TV shows a code, type it into the iPhone to authenticate. This step sends image data directly so colors and resolution remain high. Using album mode lets you swipe through photos or start a slideshow without reselecting each picture. To finish, end sharing from Control Center by tapping Stop Mirroring or disable AirPlay on the TV. The session closes cleanly and the TV stops receiving data. If wireless fails, plug an Apple Lightning to HDMI adapter for immediate display. This bypasses network issues. If connections repeatedly fail, restart your router, iPhone, and TV, make sure both devices run current software, and confirm they are on the same Wi-Fi. This simple restart often resolves discovery and streaming problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.